Anybody that's a complete beginner when they start bodyweight workouts, or my favorite, calisthenics, start with the big four: pull-ups, dips, push-ups, and bodyweight squats. You ain't gotta be perfect with them, but start off knowing your body. You gotta be able to get used to it.
For sure. All right, let's see.
We pull. You see, we want to hang on them chin-ups to get that big stretch on those lats. Also, get that big stretch on your biceps. To come up, you grow.
So Zach does packs. What branch were you in, Army or Marines? Also, what is the contraption you are using to work out with?
Man, your vocabulary is superb, sir.
He said contraption, and it's superb.
I love your vocabulary, sir.
Shout out to you, Zach.
But salute. Never went. It was always my dream to go, but I didn't get to go. All I did was ROTC, Marines in high school, but couldn't go because of health reasons. So, love bodyweight movements. I guess it's a compliment that you think that I went. Salute to you, sir.
For sure.
I just use salute here on this channel because it's all about respect. Masculinity starts with respect first, so I just respect everybody. But it's called a home fit gym. It's awesome, man. They gave it to me for free, but it's awesome. Won't be free for you, but check the link. It's awesome. Good pull-up, very good material. Dips, very strong. And at the bottom, if you can see, they come with these at the bottom, help with push-ups or handstands. Very smooth, and they can move, so you can do different positions when you're doing push-ups. It's awesome. And it got this little plywood right here too. Awesome piece of machinery.
And my favorite thing about the home fit gym, I can use it. I'm not a super pull-up person like him, and and you can break it down and take it to other places if you want to go to the park or to the beach or wherever you want to take it. It has wheels on the bottom of it.
Exactly. If you see these little pins, I don't know if you can see from here, but it has little pins on here. You can hear it. It come up, it just collapse. You can put it in a bag. We got a bag, you can carry it and take it places. I love this machinery, man. It looks elegant. I ain't want to.
Oh my gosh, not elegant.
You got me on the vocabulary today. I ain't want to mess up my doors no more, and I really wanted a good dip machine. So we get strong, but all this is 90% calisthenics. Let's go and get to the next exercise. We got dips with the leg raises.
Demario has joined us.
Demario, what's good, sir?
Hey, Demario.
How you feeling today, sir? Hanging out with the newborn.
He said just got some abs in.
Let's get it.
Let's see. Mr. Bondry said lots of love and blessings from India.
Hey, blessings from India in the building.
What he said? Oh yeah, we got Kyle Stunner Siegel. Appreciate you all. I'm going to come back. My ADD is kicking in. I gotta keep scrolling.
It's all good, man. Appreciate you for coming through.
I love y'all. Y'all are so funny. Cashflow TV said Titus 2, 1-7. All right.
Well, what's the scripture? Did you put that for a scripture, sir?
Yeah, it's a scripture. Oh, I'm sorry, Miss Bandry. It's a miss. She's a girl. Hey, girl.
What's going on? Salute.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Cashflow asks, any tips on muscle recovery?
My tips on muscle recovery, good sleep, good nutrition, and stretching. That's what's going to be it, man. It's not no magic potion, and that's no BCAAs and all this stuff, chemicals they want to put in your body. Just good, wholesome foods, whole foods, not processed. Good sleep, get you a good bed, good sleep regimen, good shower. Whatever you gotta do to get good sleep, and being able to just stretch. Gotta stretch. Always got my band here, stretching is very good. Lay on the ground while you watch TV, just stretch, move, and you good, man.
All right, we got Cashflow TV. I use my washer and dryer for dips for the longest time. Get creative, guys. For sure.
For sure. My boy said he using his washer and dryer for the dips. Hey, that's dedication. Salute to you, sir. Yeah. I remember them days. I ain't use that. But I had to use my chairs in my living room when I ain't had this.
I remember that.
Yeah. She remembers it. So everybody got to start somewhere. There's no excuse, man. Especially when it comes to calisthenics. You just use the things around your house to get the work in.
Or go to the park and use a bench. He had me doing that when we first started.
Yep, you go
dating.
to the park. It's always free thing. That's why people, I don't listen to it when they say when it comes to working out, either they don't have time or they don't have the equipment. No, you always find time for what you need or what you want to do. And equipment is free. Working out with your body weight is free. So, we don't listen to none of them excuses, man. If you want it bad enough, you're going to go get it.